Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.2, Problem 20. This is Section 1.2, Problem 20. It says determine the place value of the digit 7 in the number 171,248. So the 7 is pretty far to the left. It's a big number. It's going to be in the 10,000s position. The 8 is in the ones, the 4 is in the tens, the 2 is in the hundreds, this 1 is in the thousands, the 7 is 10,000s, and the 1, even over one more, is in the 100,000s. So the question asks about the 7. What's the name of the position it's in? The name of that position is 10,000s.